Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm back with yet another tutorial video on app guide, and in today's video I'll show you how you can redeem a gift card for your Roblox account. So you have received or you have bought a gift card for Roblox and now you want to redeem that gift card, but you can't figure out how you can do it. You don't know how to do it, you don't know where to do it, and you want to know how you can do it. Pause this video till the end. I'll show you some simple steps in order to redeem a gift card for your Roblox account in very easy way. It's a very simple process. Just follow the simple steps I do and you'll do it in no time. So in order to redeem a gift card in Roblox, what you need to do is log in to your Roblox account using a browser. You need to use a browser. You can't do it from the Roblox app or Roblox app in PC. You need to use a browser. So simply open the browser, then go to roblox.com. Once you go to roblox.com, you land on an interface like this. Now here what you need to do is tap on the login option on the top right corner in order to log into your account. Once you tap on the login option, you land on the login interface. Now here what you need to do is enter your username, email or phone number, so go ahead and do that. Once you enter your username, email or phone number, go ahead and enter your password for that account. Once you do that, simply tap on the login button. Once you log into your account, you land on an interface like this. Now from here, what you need to do in order to redeem a gift card is simply tap on the three bars on the top left corner of your screen. Now from the menu, what you need to do is go to the bottom and here you'll see an option labeled as gift card. Tap on that option. Once you tap on the gift card option, you'll land on an interface like this. Now from here, in order to redeem a gift card, what you need to do is simply tap on this redeem card option on the top right corner. Now here what you need to do is simply enter the code that you have received in your gift card in this text field right here. After you enter the code, simply tap on the redeem button. Once you do that, you'll successfully redeem a gift card in a Roblox account. So those were the simple steps in order to redeem a gift card in a Roblox account. So that will be it for today's video. Hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video with some new information. Goodbye.